Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Salman Yusuf Khan, Advocate High Court. You are watching my YouTube channel. Our today topic of discussion is kinds of divorce. I get so many calls regarding the confusion about talaq, so I thought of making a video from the most authentic book regarding the types of talaq. The Code of Muslim Family Laws is the most authentic book written by M. Mahmood, and it is mostly referred in the courts of law. There is no more authentic book than this one used in the Pakistani legal system for family laws. I would like to read some paras. A talaq may be affected in any of the following ways. Mullah in the Principles of Mohammedan Law in para 311 says, ये मुल्ला जो है he is a writer, he is a non-Muslim, but he is highly respected and he is an Indian writer. His books are referred in the courts around the Muslim world because he has a very good research about the Islamic and Mohammedan law system around the world. So his book has been referred here. A talaq may be affected in any of the following ways. Number one, talaq-e-ahsan. This consists of a single pronouncement of divorce made during a tohar period between menstruations, followed by abstinence from sexual intercourse for the period of iddat. मतलब कि एक तलाक दी, 90 दिन या 3 तोहर का टाइम गुजर गया और रुजू नहीं किया थ्रू सेक्शुअल इंटरकोर्स, तो ये तलाक फ़ाइनल हो गई. Second kind, talaq hasan. This consists of 3 pronouncements made during successive tohars, no intercourse taking place during any of the 3 tohars. मतलब कि एक तलाक दी, एक पीरियड ऑफ तोहर गुज़रा, फिर दूसरी तलाक दी, फिर पीरियड ऑफ तोहर गुज़रा, फिर तीसरी तलाक दी, फिर पीरियड ऑफ तोहर गुज़रा, तो ये तलाक फ़ाइनल हो जाएगी. थर्ड काइंड, तलाक़ुल बिद्दत और तलाक़ के बिदई. This consists of 3 pronouncements made during a single tohar, either in one sentence, for example, I divorce thrice, or in separate sentences, for example, I divorce thee. मतलब कि 3 दफ़ा या तो डाइवोर्स प्रोनाउंस कर दी या एक ही सेंटेंस में 3 दफ़ा तलाक़ कह दिया. तो एक ये काइंड है इसकी. सेकेंडली, ए सिंगल प्रोनाउंसमेंट मेड ड्यूरिंग ए तोहर क्लियरली इंडिकेटिंग एन इंटेंशन इररिवोकेबल टू डिज़ोल्व द मैरिज, फॉर एग्जांपल, और ये आगे दी हुई है कि उसने कहा कि मैं गैर रजुई तलाक़ दे रहा हूँ. तो अगर इससे मुतल्लिक आपका कोई सवाल है इन 3 अक़साम से मुतल्लिक, तो आपको मेरा नंबर डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. You can send a voice note on my WhatsApp number. I may respond when free. If you like the video, kindly like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you for watching. Fi Aman Allah.